Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tally. As you can probably tell from my voice and the fact that I am wearing my pyjamas, I am not very well today, but I really wanted to film something today, so I thought I'd give you a couple of tips of how to deal with a sick day when you're not feeling very well. So my first tip is to not go to work or to school or whatever it is you do during the day, because you're not going to be at your most productive, you're not going to be able to do a good job, and you're just going to infect everyone else. I know this can be tough, especially if you don't get sick pay if you are working, and I kind of had this debate today. I was meant to do some nannying work today, but I called up the parents and said, I can come in, but I'm not feeling very well, I might make your daughter sick, and they were like, yeah, better that you don't come in. And that's kind of gutting because I missed out on today's pay, but at the end of the day I'm sick and I need to rest, and what's more valuable, money or your health? So I'm having a day at home, but one thing that I absolutely hate doing is wasting a day. I just can't bear not having achieved anything in a day. So while the temptation is there to just sit and watch Netflix all day, and it definitely is there because the new season of Queer Eye is out today and I was very tempted to just sit and watch the whole thing, I instead find it's better to do some easy tasks that you can do from your bed but still kind of keep you active and still achieve something. Mental health and physical health are very directly linked, and I find that when I'm feeling rubbish physically, my mental health kind of goes out the window and I get a lot of negative self-talk. And I've made a whole video previously about dealing with negative self-talk and like ruminating and overthinking. So to combat this negative self-talk, you can either distract yourself by watching Netflix, or you can kind of do something to combat it and making sure that you do achieve something in that day while still making sure you are resting. So you could do something from your laptop that you've been putting off for ages, you could learn something new on Skillshare, you could get creative. For example, today I rebranded my YouTube channel. I made some nice new channel art and I came up with some content ideas and I planned some videos for the next couple of months. So I feel like I really have achieved something today, especially with filming this video. That's like 2 things I've achieved today. But I was able to do that from my bed and I'm still resting while doing that. While I hate wasting a day, it is also incredibly important to let yourself nap and to rest, because you probably won't have slept very well last night if you've got a blocked nose and you can't breathe, or if you were coughing all night, or if you've got a headache. So let yourself catch up on that sleep during the day. Not sleeping the whole day away, because then you won't sleep the following night, but having a couple of 30-minute naps here and there throughout the day is not a bad thing, and that will mean that your body can rest and get better quicker. As well as sitting and watching Netflix all day, the temptation is also there to eat rubbish and just like eat a whole packet of Oreos in one sitting. Definitely very tempted by that. But your body needs nutrients and vitamins to heal itself, so make sure you're feeding your body well and keeping hydrated so that your body can do its best job to make you feel better. I've got a jasmine green tea on the go, which has got lots of antioxidants in it, and the warm liquid is very soothing for my very sore throat. But to be fair, I haven't really been living up to this tip today because we really don't have very much food in the house, and Adam is back from work very late tonight and I am not leaving the house to go grocery shopping. So I've had to make do with some green tea and some leftover carbonara. But if you have fresh food and fresh fruit available, make yourself some soup or get someone else to make you some soup, make a smoothie, do whatever you can to get those nutrients into your body. And my final tip is to do some gentle movement, because sitting in bed all day can make your body really stiff, which will not make you feel any better and will also mean you won't be able to sleep very well the next night. I'm not saying run a marathon or do some really extreme yoga poses, especially if you've got a head cold or blocked sinuses. Going upside down is not your friend right now. But doing some gentle stretches that you can again do from your bed will also help to get your blood moving, will help your body to heal yourself again, and will help you feel better. I really hope you feel better soon. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel for more of my videos. I put out a vlog every Wednesday and a regular video like this every Sunday, so I really hope I will see you in the next one. Bye!